Hi guys, welcome back to Cassidys Craveable Creations. I'm Cassidy. Today we're making a fall favorite. We're making almond flour pumpkin bread that's paleo and keto friendly. So this recipe is super easy. It has a soft and tender crumb with all the warm spices of fall that I absolutely love, and it will make your kitchen smell amazing. It's also freezer friendly, and so you can keep it in the fridge and then just pop it out for a quick and easy breakfast or snack. And be sure to stay to the end because I have a secret ingredient that really brightens up the flavor and takes this pumpkin bread to the next level. And before we get started, if keto and paleo recipes are your thing, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell below to be alerted each time we post a new video. And to find the printable recipe with all the specifics, I will have a link in the description below. And if you're on a mobile device, just click the title of the recipe and the description will pop up. So let's get started. In a large bowl, we'll combine blanched almond flour, coconut flour, and keto granulated sweetener, or coconut palm sugar for paleo. Then we have baking soda and baking powder, sea salt, ground cinnamon, and pumpkin pie spice. Now we'll just whisk everything together. And if it seems clumpy, you can use your fingers to break it up, or you can run the flours through a sifter. In a separate bowl, we'll combine 4 large eggs, pure pumpkin. I use canned, but if you use fresh pumpkin, just be sure it's well drained, avocado oil, and egg white. And then for my secret ingredient, I'm using therapeutic grade orange essential oil. But if you don't have orange essential oil, you can use orange zest. Then just whisk everything together. Once everything is well combined, then you'll just stir the wet ingredients into the dry and use a wooden spoon to mix it all together really well. And don't worry if the batter seems dry, this is perfectly normal. Then we'll just transfer the batter to a greased 8x4 inch loaf pan that's been lined with parchment paper with the ends hanging over the edges so it can easily be transferred after it's baked. Then you can just use your fingers to press down on the dough to even the top. Then if you would like, you can sprinkle the top with some chopped pecans, but this is totally optional. Then we'll bake it at 350 degrees for 50 to 60 minutes, covering with foil after about 35 minutes just to ensure that the top doesn't burn. Once it's finished baking, you can let it sit in the pan for 10 minutes and then use the parchment paper to lift it out of the pan and place on a cooling rack. And at this point, it's really important to let the bread cool completely before you slice it, which I think is the hardest part of the whole recipe. This almond flour pumpkin bread has the most incredible pumpkin pie flavor with a super soft texture. It's a healthy, nutritious bread that's perfect for breakfast or as an afternoon snack. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as we do. Please let me know what you think in the comments below.